And as we all know, there are four major signs of Qiyamah. And the first one of them is appearance of Imam al-Mahdi. The first one of the four major signs of Qiyamah is the appearance of Imam al-Mahdi. And the second one is the coming out of Dajjal, the Antichrist. And the third one is the return of son of Mary, the son of Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam, Nabi Isa alayhi salam. The return of Jesus Christ, the son of Mary,